Let's talk about trading hours in the futures markets, focusing on the US S&P 500 contracts, ES, and Nasdaq 100, NQ. Futures markets have two types of sessions: regular trading hours and electronic trading hours. Regular trading hours for ES and NQ are from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday to Friday. However, electronic trading, known as Globex, runs nearly 24/5, from Sunday at 6 p.m. to Friday at 5 p.m., with a short daily break from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. With extended trading hours, you can trade overnight, which offers flexibility, but liquidity and volatility can vary during these periods. The great thing about futures is the leverage they provide, which amplifies both potential gains and risks. Be aware that with higher leverage comes higher sensitivity to price changes, so risk management is key when trading futures. Whether you're trading during regular hours or in the extended sessions, it's important to stay informed and adapt to market conditions.